What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Google Play games on your PC and how to play mobile games on your PC. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. First, what you need to do guys, just open this website. I'll leave you this link in description of video. When you open this website, you will see here download beta version. This is the Google app that helps you to play mobile games on your PC or on your laptop. Click here download and save your installation. When you downloaded the Google app like me, just open it and go run and you will see new window. This is the installation wizard. Just click here install and wait for installation process. When you install app like me, you will see new window. Just open new app and go here sign in with your Google account. Click this, new window will open with your browser and choose your Google account. When you finish it all like me, just go here OK and check this. And you will see guys, in this window you can play all mobile games on Google Play. Search what you want to play on your PC or on your laptop, just find your game and click here install. If you see this message like me, just click here and you will see this message. You need to turn on your virtualization. Just go on YouTube or Google and type how to turn on Windows virtualization. This is the easy step. Just watch this video. When you do that, you can play all mobile games on your PC. And that's it guys for this video. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button, and I see you in next video. Bye guys.